Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you this beautiful forest themed journal. This journal is approximately 7.5 inches in height and 6 inches wide with a 1-inch spine. It has two signatures. And being forest themed, I have played around uh, colors like green, brown, yellows, so I've stuck to that theme. Throughout the journal you'll see plenty of torn pages and edges just to give that rustic feel. Let's go inside. We have an elastic closure here with a button. So first here we have a pocket. It's a double pocket. You can have something at the back of the pocket and also in the actual pocket itself. There's a little lace. On this side you have a panel that flips open like this, and you have a secret spot for some messaging, journaling. This goes in here in this pocket. So you will see such torn edges all throughout the journal. Then I have hand drawn some branches on this page. This is I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but this is canvas paper. It is paper but feels like canvas, has these grains that you can feel. Then you have this paper clip which holds this fold out. It's a very pretty image. Here I have a faux postage stamp that I did. I have a video too on this. And here is a paper collage tuck spot with some little branch. I have placed it between two sheets of tracing paper and just sewed around the edges a tad. This is some textured paper. Some more hand-drawn branches. This here is a little booklet of different kinds of pages. You have craft paper, some hand-dyed paper, a bit of map, some lace. This is from my black and white digital kit. I've just tea dyed the page. Then here again you have a collage with a button, and it's a double pocket. You have this pretty leaf. You can of course write at the top and back if you want. Another tag at the back. At the center of the signature we have this transparent bag. It holds some tags and ephemera like this another leaf, then some dyed paper, a journaling card, and on this side again we have a journaling card and some green dyed paper. I dyed these using food colors and fabric dyes. Even these pages are dyed with food colors. Then you have this cutout of a leaf. It's from my black and white digital kit. Then you have this little piece. I just have hand drawn leaves and a sort of a creeper. Textured paper again. Some mushrooms. Then we again have this pretty collage as a tuck spot. You have this leafy plant image. It's been bagged onto some dyed paper again, and you have this beautiful piece with some leaf cutouts. And have this huge leaf, another tag with some lace, a book page pocket, double pocket. Then here again we have a little piece of book page with some leaf cutouts. I think this little guy looks cute, hanging on to the branch. And you have a belly band with some lace, and this holds another leaf ephemera, but this one I have bagged onto some dyed paper and used printed paper on the inside just to make it interesting. And this is just some tea dyed cardstock. While drying the cardstock, I placed it upon a basket, so that's the impressions that you see. I think it's really cool. some washi tape, again another leafy branch that I have hand drawn. Here is a double pocket with some journaling cards, textured paper, mushroom printed onto some tea-dyed pages. This is again from my black and white digital kit. This one's one of my favorites. This is just some sample pieces of paper tied into a booklet, so it's stuck, but you could of course flip it like this and use these pages for writing and journaling. Then you have this little paper clip holding this little piece of ephemera, beautiful dyed colors. I just cut this leaf out of a book page and just hand drew the veins on the leaf. You have this piece of fold out. It has again some scrap pieces of paper that you can use for journaling. The back side of this fold out, I have fixed it in the form of a tuck, so it holds these two pieces here. A small piece of journaling ephemera. Some more textured paper. This is a slightly firmer tracing sheet, not very thin, and I've just stamped some leaf images and added a book page to give this cool look. You could of course still use it for writing. Then you have here a hidden paper clip. This gets removed like this and you can flip it open. Lots of journaling space. Some more hand-drawn leaves. Another faux postage stamp. Some washi tape with a sentiment, says spring. Then on the last we have a pocket here. Here we have this sample booklet again with a bit of lace and a journaling card and a leaf again that I have bagged onto some craft paper. You could of course use the back for writing. So that was the journal. Let me know how you found the flip through. and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.